All AMCO monitored security systems have an emergency panic button or remote fob attached to them. Pressing this button will connect you to an emergency controller who is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to look after you. For shops, fixed buttons are fitted under the counter. In other environments, it might be near a door or at the bottom of stairs. When working or operating in a property monitored by AMCO, always familiarise yourself with their positions. You should only use your panic button in the event of an emergency or if you are worried that an emergency might occur. It normally takes about 20 seconds for the signal to reach us and for us to be listening in and speaking. This will feel like forever in an emergency, so the sooner you press the button, the better. Don't be frightened of pressing the button, even if you're only worried. If nothing has happened, you can always use the code word caution, which to a controller means, I don't have a problem yet, but I might have one, so please stay online and listen in. Or if you realise that you've made a mistake, you can always say your password to confirm everything is okay. Assistance. Which service do you require? Over.
Caution.
In the event of a real emergency, you should adhere to the following procedures. On pressing the panic button, you'll be challenged with the words, Assistance, which service do you require? Over. On completion of the word over, you should respond shouting out your requirements. There are typically 5 emergency scenarios which you need to be prepared for. Attack, threaten, medical, fire, and caution. If you are being attacked and need the police, shout the duress code 3 times. If you are being threatened with a gun or knife and we hear the threat, we will call the police immediately. We may not speak if we think it could endanger you. If we do challenge and you do not want to frighten the assailant, respond with your name and the duress code as calmly as you can. If you need an ambulance, just say, I need an ambulance, there has been an accident. If there is a fire, simply say, I have a fire, get the fire service. If there is a caution scenario and you're worried, simply say, caution, and we will respond, understood, we are monitoring the situation. Remember, the key to your safety and well-being is to anticipate trouble and press the button before it actually happens. Our philosophy is, if in doubt, give a shout. Our controllers are there to look after you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Hopefully, you will never have to call us an emergency, but if you do, it will help matters if you've practiced the procedure previously. And remember, if in doubt, give a shout.